Hello, this is Nick Bertozzi, and on behalf of the teaching team, we're looking forward to getting started working with you in RBE 1001 this term. So the syllabus is posted on Canvas, and just to point out here that we will be using Zoom, so we'll be having regular class times and lab times, and this Zoom link right here should get you into all the classes, and also on the Canvas calendar, the Google Calendar that you can find on Canvas, everyone will be posting their hours, so you'll also be able to use this link if you want to ask some questions or talk to somebody. You'll be able to click on that link, and then same thing like for my office hours for Professor Miller's and so on. And hopefully you've ordered the bookstore kit and been able to find the additional parts for the course online as well, and that you'll have those soon. So I just want to go through a few things. You can read through the syllabus, and actually before I get to that, so the way that we're going to try and run the course, and this will be subject to change. If it's not working well, we'll modify it, but the thought is that we would conduct the classes with Zoom, and you would also have Canvas, the LMS open so that you can answer different surveys. And we would like you also to have a way to communicate with people on your team. So you'll be placed on teams of 2 or 3, and during the lectures, if you have Skype or some other way to communicate with them, at different times we'll ask you questions or ask you to work on a problem, or might just be consider a concept question, and then have you respond to a survey, which we can then display through Zoom and see how people are answering. In fact, I'm going to send out a survey shortly just to try and get a gauge on your background in mechanical and electrical and programming, and then also to see if you've been able to load the VEX simulation environment. So there's also some videos that you can watch. We're going to be starting force analysis soon, so you can start with there's some videos on force analysis. You can start looking at those. And we're going to have 4 major quizzes, and then we'll also have 6 prep quizzes. So these will just be short quizzes, closed book quizzes that you'll take in the beginning of a particular class. And so in other words, you'll have to watch some videos, and then there'll be some brief questions on the videos. So those 6 quizzes together will make up, say, you might want to think of it as an additional 5th quiz. We will drop the lowest then of the 5. So you have 4 major quizzes, full class quizzes, and then you'll have 6 of these short quizzes. The 6 short quizzes, the average of that will count as kind of a 5th quiz, and then we'll drop the lowest from there. So that's explained here in the syllabus. So for the final project, the way we're going to do the labs is we'll have you work with your team and probably do, depending on the lab, we'll have you do some analysis, and then we'll show you, like we might actually perform the lab and videotape it to see what kind of results you get, and then you'll be able to then put those results into your report or your worksheet and compare them to your analysis results. But we'll talk more about that when the class starts. So anyways, there's the breakdown of all the different topics, and you can see like force analysis right here. So on Monday there'll be a force analysis prep quiz. You'll need to watch these 3 videos before class, and then you'll take that prep quiz. So I'll pick up here from the next video.